for a large part of the trading action, we were fairly range bound. It was only in the last 30 minutes that we saw that nervousness come into the markets and we ended below the 15,700 mark. The Indian markets were trading a tad bit light given the big event which is lined up in the evening. We'll get to know what the US Fed will decide, whether it will be a 50 basis point hike or a 75 basis point hike, and what are the changes to the projections and rate trajectory going forward will be important to track. And all of this we'll get to know at 11:30 p.m. India time tonight. But ahead of that, the Indian markets were a tad bit tepid. In fact, Nifty has been on the declining end for the last 4 trading sessions. However, for the day, the broader markets bucked the trend with both the mid-cap and small-cap index managing to hold on to the green. The Nifty Bank also managed to eke out minor gains, but it was off almost 200 points from the trading session's high. In terms of the key internals, on the gaining side, we have auto names that were reacting positively. So Tata Motors, Hero Motocorp were some of your gainers. We also had Bajaj twins that were reacting positively. On the flip side, IT names like Infosys and Wipro were coming under pressure, and ONGC was one of your top losers. From the broader markets, Tata Communications is something we were tracking. Paytm as well as Delta Corp were the other stocks on our radar, and not to forget the up move that we saw on the likes of Vijay Diagnostics, Chennai Petro as well as APL Apollo. On the downside, Mastek was coming under pressure, and we also had reactions coming into the 5G auctions as well as the IPL bid data. So, whole host of stocks that were buzzing around in trade, but overall, have to say it was a tepid trading session for the Indian markets.